Well, we're going to keep an eye on Hurricane Bud in the eastern Pacific. This will likely diminish to a storm at some point today, but the remnants of that, as it lifts north into the lower 48 coming up by the weekend, could bring us a little bit of rain here over the western portions of the southwest. In the meantime, though, hot temperatures will continue, and as you get up into the front range of the Rockies here, we have a marginal risk of severe weather. So as of early Wednesday, Bud was a Category 1 storm, again diminishing to a storm at some point later today by the southern tip of Baja California as we get into Friday, and then eventually into the Four Corners region by Sunday. So again, some of that moisture could be moving in to the southern U.S. We'll be watching for that very closely. Temperatures yesterday were quite hot, made it to the triple digits in Lubbock at 101. We were 10 degrees above average there. We also had quite a bit of wind and hail reports over the central U.S., including the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandle over to the middle Mississippi Valley. There were pockets of heavy rain here and there, a little bit more down in New Orleans, but we are chipping away at those deficits. You can still see some big negative numbers here from Kansas City to Amarillo, Lubbock, and then down along the coastal bend, even New Orleans at 5.5 inches below average. So thus the extreme and exceptional drought conditions continuing. There's your marginal risk of severe weather this afternoon, but getting into our Thursday to Friday, again, kind of quiet, devoid of any thunderstorm activity in the central U.S., but we could be looking at maybe a few pockets of heavy rain along the Front Range today.